yeah มาថាអរគុណ Oh yeah អូគេឆ្នើមែនតើណា
ចាប់កជែកក្នុង
អូតំណងគេមែនតើ Wow Let's all eat Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are out in Oregon at this really awesome hike called Silver Falls. Super popular. We got here really early, around 6:30, 7, and the parking lot started to be packed. So we're gonna show you guys the amazing waterfall that you can go under. Super excited. So let's get this hike started, baby. Let's go, Matt. We're about a quarter mile, maybe less, in the hike. And look, I never see a hike with a cafe open right here. And apparently there's a restaurant in there too. How cool is that? Beautiful. Like I said, I've never been on a hike with a restaurant or cafe. So if you need a refreshment, here it is. Beautiful. My goodness, like a cabin. I might check out the restaurant later if I feel like it, but we did brought food. We brought food and stuff to have a picnic. But look at that. Wow. Nice and clean. Who would ever thought about this? Like the inside. Yep, beautiful. I like it. Yep. Wow, a lot of places to sit. So this is perfect. After your hike, you're tired, exhausted, thirsty. Boom, refreshments here. Believe that's the restaurant inside, yep. I'm thinking it's part of your typical, bar food. Hamburger, hot dogs, fries and stuff. But hey, if you're hungry, you eat anything. I like it. All right, let's head towards the waterfall. Here's my crew. Could be the 4 of us. Yeah, let's go. So they got restrooms right here and stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to let you guys know, Silver Falls, you come here, you got to get a day pass, parking pass, only $5. Not bad at all. But yeah, it's worth it. Oh, this is huckleberry, I believe. And then salao berries are there. It's not ready yet. There's that waterfall right there that we're gonna walk under. Right there. And there's gonna be people. See, there's a trail down there already. There's people walking under it. That's where we're gonna be. All right. Let's go. I'm excited. Apparently, there's somebody on the trail told me earlier that there's, I think, 7 or 8 waterfalls that we can walk to. And only this one right here is the one that we will go under. The other ones we can't go under. So there's people down there. Can't wait. Yeah. Easy hike too. It's not too bad. I think on the website it says intermediate. So it's not like a super crazy hike like Dog Mountain or other mountains that gets you exhausted. This is more like kid friendly too. Just gotta be careful. There's big rocks in the walkway right here. I tripped on a couple times because I'm recording and I'm not paying attention to my walkway. But I'm gonna cut the video until we get down there. មានអារម្មណ៍ដែរថ្ងៃនេះមក hiking ហ៎មានអារម្មណ៍ថាស្រស់ស្រាយស្រស់ស្រាយចង់អីហំក្តៅបាត់ហើយអត់ដល់លើពាក្យនោះអីគេស្រស់ស្រាយស្រស់ស្រាយដូចវាស្រួលខ្លួនណាមកដកដង្ហើមនៅកន្លែងធម្មជាតិអូស៊ីបងប្អូនខ្ញុំលេងជាមួយសូដាខ្ញុំចេះខ្មែរច្រើនណាបើមិនណាមិនសូវចេះពេកទេច្រើននិយាយអង់គ្លេសហ្នឹងហើយមួយខ្មែរបៃឡាំមួយអង់គ្លេសបៃឡាំត្រូវហើយ ដូចយើងនិយាយនោះ Friday ណាគេថា Pride ហ่า Pride អាថ្ងៃ Friday នោះ Pride ដែរយើងញ៉ាំត្រីញៀននោះ Pride ជាថ្ងៃនេះយកអីគេមកញ៉ាំខ្លះថ្ងៃហ្នឹងអានេះមានបាយសាច់អាំងអូបាយសាច់អង្គរអូសាច់អង្គ Sao chuột đấy? Wow. Những ăn với or into bit. Ô ăn ok. Mình anh em mình bài tận ấp bài thầm đà. Bài thầm đà. Lói. Mình cả lang hike tiệt. Oh, đó đấy bông bồn. So we're here. We're here now. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, Matt. We're here.
Raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Beautifulness. Wow. Look at that. I wonder if there's any fish down there. I'm pretty sure there's fish. But I bet you we get busted for pouring out a fishing pole. Dude, those people look like little ants walking. Can just smoke in there. Mình nói nó sky pe nó can smoke. Let's go. Oh, smoke. Chứ mà nằm thải. Smoke. Smoke. Look smoke. Look smoke. Smoke. Chứ nãy kia nào tha mùi khmai bài lâm mùi ong lê bài lâm hả? Yeah, to lên. Wow. It's very beautiful. Look at this. It's like a big old cave almost. Some raw tamachit. Look at that. Big crater. Big it's like a cave almost, see? Bottom here. Then you go up. Right there. Wow. And I like how they built this rail. Protect people from slipping and falling. Good safety. And also it looks beautiful. Ooh, nice and yeah, it's cold. Nice cold breeze. Oh, the air is fresh and good, guys. Right here, look at that fall. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the shakiness. This trail isn't as smooth as you would like it. But look at that. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Wow, the spot right here, like a cave, you gotta be careful. If you're 6 foot or higher, you gotta duck down. Oh, gotta duck. Ugh. Look at that. Wow. Woo, woo. Oh, it echoes. My goodness, look at that. I like it. It's having thin like this to fall. Beautiful. In here, it blocks the sound barrier from the fall. We come out here, now it's loud. Whoa. Wow. Gorgeous. Then we're just gonna keep going, see where this hike takes us. But this is the most popular spot right here. It's not super far away from the vehicle parking. Then there's a bridge right there that we're gonna cross. I'm really curious how far we're gonna go. Wow, we found a... I don't think you can climb here, but holy cow.
They can.
Dude, what's up? Wow, it goes even higher. Whoa. Can climb ta. Let me hear it. It get oh chỗ ngó ba. Uh-huh. Let's go. My goodness. This oh look more holes up there. Okay, right there. Run up. Wow. I wonder what's in there. I bet you it's just bats. Oh wow. This one's huge. I bet you, bro, it's just bats in there. Bats or snake holes. I doubt there's snakes, but what's in here? Oh my goodness. Woo, woo. Oh. Hey, if it screams back, I'm like, I gotta go. What does it feel like? Is it cold? Yeah. Of course, small jet. I mean, tomorrow I get warm. Cái đào ôn đấy chứ. Tomorrow that no or to yeah, you're right. Xa đó cái này. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Sad and thin. So we are on the bridge. The little bridge I showed you guys earlier. There's the waterfall. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Place is so nice. I haven't been hiking in a very long time. As you guys can tell, I haven't done a hiking video in a while. And if you guys are curious why I do a lot of different types of videos on my channel, because my channel is actually all about sort of my life, what I do. I chose Washington life because obviously I live in Washington, but I travel a lot to Oregon, you know, because I got family in Oregon, family in Washington, so I'm all over.
Try go everywhere.
Yeah, so not just because it says Washington life, it has to be in Washington. You know, it's just my life in Washington, where I go, what I do. Yeah, and people always say, why don't you just stick to fishing, crabbing? It's no fun, because I know when I watch other people's YouTube, I want to see like, hey, what do they do else besides fishing? You know, where do they go? What do they do for fun? So that's why I like to vlog a lot. My channel actually started off vlogging, and then I really enjoy fishing, crabbing and stuff, so I decided to add that onto my channel for you guys out there that didn't know me from the beginning. But anyways, I'm gonna keep recording and show you guys what's way out there. Creek my house. There's a big fish down there. Hopefully it's a big old salmon or sturgeon. Oh wow. Let's go down there. Ooh. Oh, you know, this is perfect for washing off. When it's like cold, I mean hot, you go in the water. Oh, I bet you it's ice cold. It's not too bad? Oh, okay, we're really early in the morning. Wow. Sad and thin. Let's see where it goes. Way down there. You know, this is a perfect camp spot too. In camping, stop the whole thing. Oh, lawyer. Yeah. Beautiful. Matt has some energy bars for us. None. Mình kia một trái bài. Mình nạc Terry Iwana. Giúp nhóm backpack thôm đặc giảm cho bạn. That everything. And Matt give me my hope. Bong sợi miền tức. Soda miền ấy. Miền cái đa chụp con. Yep, here's the second waterfall right here. We came from this one.
It's not.
It might be a second waterfall. Remember cái time me bay waterfall no? Wait, there's 10 waterfalls?
This one is called 10 Waterfall.
Oh.
Oh wow. Okay, no more.
Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh, this. Oh, we're gonna go down. Oh, chakaram. So we're gonna go down right there to the waterfall. So, yeah, I'll record once we get down there. Oh, bọn bọn này chakaram nó miền rom we're warm đây. Cái đau đó cái rom á nó lớn cái chết mình. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. So what I said is we're down in lower elevation and it got warmer. Up higher elevation was colder up there. So that's why. So in this video, guys, I'm going to speak Cambodian and English for my Cambodian viewers and then English for my, obviously, my American viewers. Oh, wow. It's huh? Beautiful. Wow. Oh, it's thin. Beautiful. Look at that waterfall. So this is number 2. Oh my goodness. You know, if this is 90 degree, 100 degree, like we can go in that water and cool off. Wow, I like how they did the stairs. See the stairs for us? Yeah, and I like how they have rail guards to protect all the hikers. Loida. Look at that. Beautiful. And I saw people running over there. This is a big, big area. Ta.
Halal is spicy.
Ok.
Hal.
Mày mày bắn chụp nè ngày.
How is spicy? Cái đau is hot.
Tao rồi.
Yeah, yeah, you điệp cho đo áo khôi với cái đau từ ngày nữa. So him and Matt, yo áo trên với cái đau pi. So we gotta so everyone cho. Thank you, Matt. Good thing I brought extra clothes, and then you get a free suntan. There.
Suntan too.
Yep, and then that you want your bông. Vitamin D. Oh, feels good.
Ai à.
Yeah. Rồi, I saw cái che cái đau ngày này. Well, I think today's supposed to be about 80, 90, right?
Yeah, 80.
Yeah, 80. Oh wow, beautiful. I think this one might be even beautifuler than the first one. I like P waterfall này là I like môi there. Look at that. It looks like something out of a movie. And looks like we can walk under this one. So someone told me that was the only waterfall we can walk under. That was a big lie. Look at this one, we can walk under it too. Let's go. Oh wow. I know I say wow, wow, wow a lot in my video. Oh wow. I think you guys should do a comment below. Count how many wows I do in a video. So the rocks is wet, it's dripping water down from up here. You can see the drips. See, it fell in front of the camera. And the cave is wet. But we're under like a sort of like a crevice. I don't really know what it's called. I keep calling it a cave. It's not a cave. It's like a crevice where the waterfall just not breaks, but fall down from there, see? Oh my goodness. That's phenomenal. Oh, sạp mình tên bom ồn. Wow. Mọc đo lên nè. Let's go right under it. Oh,ល្អណាស់ដល់ខំល្អ air is so good, so fresh. Oh my goodness, this is refreshing. Oh, ស្អាតមែនតើបងប្អូន Wow. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Wow. First time ever under a waterfall. Wow, look at that. I'm going backwards. Gee. It's at and fan. It's that creek that we were walking by that we went into. That's where the water's falling right here. Oh, it's beautiful. It is breathtaking out here. We're taking a break because we're not sure which direction to go, that one or down there. First time here, so we're trying to find all the good waterfalls. Bên này tôi đã ra waterfall. Bạn bạn xâm rạ tích.
Bơi chịu khăn hả?
Lên này. Bạn worry cái cái cái.
Bà cài ấy,ពួកយើងbà càiដើរញ៉ាំឥឡូវញ៉ាំច្រើនពេកឥឡូវត្រូវដើរសម្រាប់
So she said that we're so good at finding places to eat and cooking a lot of food, eating too much. So now we gotta come out hiking, so burn off all the fat.
មកវិញអស់វីដេអូ eating cooking
So we're choosing the North Fall, going down right here.
This is
Or-
South Fall of 1 mile.
Oh yeah, we're going to South Fall. Sorry, not North.
You go, huh?
Sao đây? Mớiយើងដើរហាត់ប្រាណអញ្ចឹងយើងឃ្លានហេវហើយហេវបាយ
Đã hot chứ, thì mới nhầm bài xin ngày mình tên.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to ញ៉ាំបាយពួកឃ្លាន
Nhớ là hai con clear you nhầm đặt bài tích trên kê.
Yeah មិនដល់មាន
Miệt thông trên kê, đặt bài ở tích trên kê.
Hey you
Ham tự đảo kê luôn đấy.
you're supposed to ស្មើគ្នា4នាក់ត្រូវស្មើមិនណាគេឲ្យខ្ញុំតិចទេនោះមានបញ្ញសាយេអេ
Rồi miệt phần dạ sáng thế đấy, mà ao nhầm bài tích.
អូឲ្យស្រកគីឡូ
Đừng có.
ឲ្យស្រកគីឡូកុំឲ្យស្មន់ពេក
Mà nhầm bài xin ngày nào.
Oh, I can't wait เราก็เลยញ៉ាំបាយស្អាតមែនតើ So we're gonna go probably find a spot to eat but if not it's okay but she said that she packed me the least rice for all 4 of us because I have the biggest body so she's all right ទៅធ្វើស្រែយីធ្វើដូចសតធ្វើស្រែអេមិនដល់មានខ្ញុំមិនដល់ស្គាល់ស្រែទេ
ខ្ញុំអ្នកពេញទេមិនដែលអ្នកភ្នំពេញទេមិនដែលធ្វើស្រែដែរណា
Serious
ឆ្លប់ម្ដងដែរឆ្លើងទៀម
Yeah man
I cannot wait to see another waterfall.
Yeah. Oh guys, this is one crazy hike. I'm all sweaty. Ooh. Ooh. It's a really good workout. So, Matt's hungry.
I'm hungry.
Except me, I'm not that hungry yet. So we're gonna find a spot to Yambai. I don't know how far we gotta walk. Let me show you. Here's the trail we just got done going uphill. And, ooh, I'm so tired. I think I hear another waterfall. Not sure. But everybody walking like it's nothing. And we're like, whoo, hot, hot. Okay. Ooh, that's another beautiful bridge right there. Right there. Oh, the control. Looks deep. Oh, so we're gonna walk down. See everybody's walking down? So we're gonna cross that bridge.
Yeah.
That's a nice bridge. Loida. All right, we're at the bridge, and it's a pretty high bridge. Loida, post at. There's Matt. Then Bong Srai, my sister. Oh, careful steps. Oh, a lot of steps. Oh yeah. Wow. It's beautiful, guys. Is there any fish? I can try on. Try more can and more be always ding took there.
Ui, tao đi nâng mình tên.
Yeah.
Khơi chân ta trâu nữa.
Oh, very true. Wow. Mình đi cho mò. Okay. Lang lời. Wow, third waterfall. Lake Baye waterfall. It's Edmonton. That is beautiful. Right there. Oh my goodness. That is breathtaking. And there's a bridge over it too. Wow. Love it. Sheesh. Wow, that water is like green and blue. Oh, that waterfall is gorgeous. Oh, look, there's a trail down here that somebody made, or a whole bunch of people made, to go play in the water. Wow. That is breathtaking. It's Edmonton. That's Lake Bay. Ooh. Oh, I guess we're gonna pass it. Đà Lạt bên này. Ở xăng ơi, hot ơi. I'm tired, no more gas to go. I was hoping there'll be a bridge over it, but no. Right there. Oh, here's the bridge. Right here. Too bad it's not over the waterfall though. That view was spectacular. Ooh. Oh man, we got pick.
Double falls?
Yep.
Double Falls it is.
Okay.
We're gonna visit the Double Falls. That sounds really nice. Let's go. Double Fall. I'm assuming it's gonna obviously be a 2 falls double. Man, the waterfall B. Yeah, but with Toot, it's not super big. Okay, my dollar right here. That's the double fall. Oh my goodness. That's cool. It's Toot more, but
okay.
yeah, that's what it means. Falls twice. Be John. That little one up there. And then here. Oh. So it's just a little hike to this little waterfall. Nothing biggie. That's cool. After this we will U-turn back. Yeah, summer tự bị ring. If you come in the fall and stuff, the water will be overflowing here. Careful, Allah. So we're gonna find a spot to eat here. A little break spot. So many minutes. Yeah. Man, we are like hardcore hikers. Oh yeah. Oh, feels good over here. What, bait new pong? Oh look, somebody walked over there maybe. No. Yeah, let's eat here. Bài nhắm tại climate. Oh, một bài. That looks good. Oh yeah. Snanny, good? Yeah. Oh, thank you to Soda Okun. Làm hộp nhắm bài này. Oh, yeah, Mata Okun. Oh, yeah. Oh, can snan and turn, huh? Oh, the no game and turn. Wow. Let's all eat. Alright, I got mine. She did make mine the smallest.
Chị thả mưa quá bánh cái này.
Okay, it's mine now. Good. Mình stay thick for your yum. Some bay thick, bay chặt.
Ăn chặt đây.
Yeah.
Sạt sao ấy.
All right, let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Come and join us. Yummy. Oh man. Oh, it's so good. Bài nhắm non fry dương. Oh my god. It's not been done. Cái này nè.
Cô ăn theo tao quên như thằng, cô nó đi nhắm từ nhảy tao quên. Nhắm bay từ nhảy kìa. Cô ăn nhắm bay rồi, ngay nhân tao quên em nhảy nhắm không?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
God. But it's not cold. Nice and warm. So good. This is best hiking food. Có mình sạc bacon on them. Sạc bacon, sạc đồ ăn, and rib. Alright. Nhắm bài cho đây. We're done eating, we're gonna wash our hands. Free sink. Come on, Matt. This is free nature sink. Nice and cold. I mean, smooth. I see you can't use soap. I'll do that. Oh, you got the polluting the water. Nhắm bài cho Ed hơi. Nè, rom cho Ed ơi. Mình cần lang đá đấy ơi. Chạy chặt đấy ơi. We're we have energy to talk and hike some more. We're probably gonna search around the area for more beautiful waterfalls. So I'm gonna keep continuing the video. If you guys are tired of watching this, feel free to watch the next video of my fishing, clamming, cooking and stuff, okay? All right, I think this is number 4 or 5 falls right here. Oh, that one's nice. We go right under this one too. Low even then. Wow. There's Matt, my sister. This place got so much waterfall. What is it, number 4 or 5? I forgot. 5. They all look alike. That's so cool. Yeah. Okay, here's the waterfall. We're getting really close to it. Oh my goodness, this one is really nice. Man, it's at it. Every waterfall here is nice. Except that last one, that double falls. Too small. Yeah. Oh, this one is a lot of water coming down. It's like a water hose. Oh yeah, there's people walking down there. Wow, this one's like really, really fast. Oh, sheesh. Wow. Wow. There's people down there. Right there. This looks exactly like the first waterfall, but a lot thinner and stronger. And the first one had rail guards. This one doesn't have rail guards. Whoa. My goodness. Oh. Good. Sounds like a jet. Beautiful. There's people down there. They come from that ledge there. See, they're trying to come down. Come down there. Popular. She's way down there. She wants to go down there. Tomoto. Wow. And then this is like a big loop right here. We go all the way up there. This is like an all-day beautiful hike, everyone. And today is Saturday, so that's why we chose Saturday, because we can spend all day here and not have to worry about going to work the next day. Alright, ពួកម៉ាក់បងប្អូន បងស្រី បងប្រុស អូនពូ តាមីន or យាយតា Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We had a blast. Unfortunately, we had a U-turn. That's the U-turn spot. It dead ends there. So everybody has to come back. It's going to be a long hike back to the vehicle. But there's only like 5 or 6 waterfalls here. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, comment below, share the video, and I'll see you guys next time on my next adventure. Alrighty? Bye everybody. Bye.